In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Outlook.com storage limit OneDrive. If your Microsoft account is warning you about storage running low, a quick cleanup in Outlook.com can make a big difference, especially if large email attachments are clogging up your mailbox. I'll walk you through the built-in tools that help you see what's taking space and remove what you no longer need safely and efficiently. Start by going to Outlook on the web and signing into your account. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right and click the settings gear icon. This opens a quick panel, but for what we need, go into the full settings area and open the account section. Here, you'll find options related to how your account is managed, including where to check your storage. Next, select Storage. This page shows how much space you've used and offers an easy way to clean up. Find the Free Up Space area. Microsoft groups storage by sources, and one of the most common culprits in a full mailbox is email attachments. Choose the Outlook Attachments option to view emails that have large files attached. You'll see a list of messages ordered by size. Open anything you might want to review, save any important files locally or to your preferred cloud folder, and then delete the messages you no longer need. Remember, deleting messages moves them to deleted items first, so you can still restore them if you change your mind right away. After you remove big emails, head to your deleted items folder. To actually reclaim space, you need to empty it. You can select all and delete permanently. While you're at it, check other folders that often grow quietly over time, like sent items, drafts, and archive, and clear out anything unnecessary there too. Don't forget about junk email. Junk can pile up quickly and count against your mailbox quota. Open the junk email folder and permanently delete its contents to free up additional room. A few quick tips to make this faster. Sort folders by size so the heaviest messages float to the top. Search for has attachments. Yes to find emails with files. And when you want to keep a document but not the message, save the file first and then delete the email. Also note, if you previously saved attachments to OneDrive, cleaning email won't reduce OneDrive usage. You'd manage that storage separately. But removing the email copy still helps your mailbox. That's it. By using storage, the free up space view, deleting large attachment emails, and emptying deleted items and junk, you'll quickly bring your Outlook.com mailbox back under its limit.